Hi, I'm Stacy with OrthoPro, and I want to answer a few of our most frequently asked questions. What do I need to do before making an appointment with your office? Have an in-person visit with your prescribing physician. Have the physician note in your chart the need for a prosthesis or orthosis and why it is medically necessary. Obtain a prescription for the device from your physician. Call to schedule an appointment with our office. And just so you're aware, you can't come in and just pick up a device. What do I need to bring to my first appointment? A prescription from your physician, driver's license or other photo ID, all insurance cards, intake paperwork which is available online, and if a patient is a minor, a guardian needs to come to the appointment. What should I expect at my first appointment? Our admin staff will check you in, enter all your demographic information into the computer, get your height and weight, and take you to a patient room. One of our clinicians will visit with you to discuss your medical history, the reason for your visit, to see what type of orthosis or prosthesis is needed, and your goals. If you are needing an off-the-shelf brace, it may be delivered the same day depending on your insurance requirements and the availability of the device. Any patient financial responsibility would be due at delivery. Custom devices require additional time to be fabricated. What happens after my first appointment? Our admin staff will check your insurance coverage and let you know your financial responsibility. Our fees include the appointments leading up to the delivery of the device itself, and follow-up appointments for at least 3 months. If you have a financial responsibility, we require half down before fabrication begins and the other half at delivery. Our office staff will then send a standard written order to your physician for signature and will request the notes from your visit with your physician. There are many required elements that must be in the physician's notes from your visit. Once our office receives the paperwork, we will request authorization from your insurance company if necessary. Once authorization is received, or if authorization is not required, we will schedule your next appointment to take necessary scans, impressions, or casts as necessary. We hope these answered your questions. If you need clarification or have any other questions, please call us at OrthoPro. We would be happy to help.